my dear Vidyanjalites. Welcome back to our English class. Tomorrow is our English exam and today is overall revision. Let's start our revision. Before that, you have to open your blueprint. I already asked you to write that blueprint in your English classwork pin page. I hope you all have written. If not, open that blueprint and write down that blueprint in your English classwork pin page. Now let's follow the revision through that blueprint Roman by Roman. Shall we start? Our first Roman is comprehension passage. You already aware of that comprehension passage. You have written in two assessments, home assessment 1 and 2. Now let's have a look. Ram is a good boy. He has 4 brothers. They respect their parents, teachers, etc. So now, how many times you have to read the passage? 3 times. Okay. First time when you are reading the passage, you must read fast. Second time a bit slower, and third time a little slow. And then read the questions. Ram has blank brothers. Then you can find the answer directly from the passage. So answer is 4. Take this. While attempting the question paper, in the answer sheet, you must mention the option as well as the like suppose answer is C and 4. You have to write both C and the answer is 4. Option and answer. Is it clear? No need to write questions, but option and answer both are very important. Now let's move on to the second Roman, that is section B, grammar. Let's start. What is our grammar syllabus? Articles, right? So first Roman in section B grammar is in your grammar book page number 32, that is A Roman. Fill in the blanks with a or an. We have 3 articles, a and the, and first Roman is regarding a and article and. That means 2 twin brothers. Very good. First, suppose Lucy has blank uncle who lives in Russia. Now you have to fill in this blank. Fill in this blank with a or an. So if you read the question heading properly, 50% of answer is in your hands. I always say that. So now Lucy has blank uncle. What you have to observe is the word immediately after the blank. Succeeding to the blank, you have to see the word uncle. It starts with a sound. Vowel sound. So you have to write and here. Is it clear? So you have to observe the sound immediately after the blank. The word, if it gives vowel sound, you have to use article and. If the word gives consonant sound, you have to use a. Here U is a vowel. But sometimes you might find in other case like uniform, blank uniform. U is a vowel, but the sound is uniform, Y sound. Y is a consonant. Here uncle, A sound. A is a vowel, so an. Uniform, Y is a consonant, so article A will be used. You do not see the letter and simply write the answer. Shouldn't. You have to pronounce the word, and if it gives the vowel sound, an article will be used. If it gives consonant sound, a article will be used. Is it clear? Observe the difference very clearly while attempting the questions. Now let's move on. In that Roman you have 7 questions, 10 questions. Read each and every question very clearly. Now let's move on to the second Roman. The next Roman in our grammar, circle the articles and fill in the blanks with the words from the box. If you read this heading very clearly, you will understand that in the question, you have to circle the article which is already given. And after that, fill in the blanks with words from the box. That means, we give the box, it contains some words. From that box, you have to fill the blank. Very easy, na? So, you have to read the heading very clearly. So, now circle the article they asked. What is the article? Rice is the main blank of Kerala. The, very good. So circle it. And main blank of Kerala. Now read the options which are given in the box. Words which are given in the box. Cow, crop, farmer. Which suits in that blank? Very good. Crop. So write down crop. Okay, is it clear? Such kind of questions. There are 7 questions in your grammar book, page number 34, C Roman. Go through those 7 questions. Next Roman in our grammar. Fill in the blanks with a, and, or, the. How many articles? A and the. Yes. Now, Lakshmi reads blank newspaper every morning. Lakshmi reads a newspaper every morning. Lakshmi reads an newspaper. Lakshmi reads the newspaper. Now, a, and. First of all, you have to think and will not come here because it's a consonant sound. So, you have to, you will get the confusion between a and. She reads the newspaper means particular thing we are talking about, right? So, when we talk about particular thing, we always use article the. Lakshmi reads the newspaper every morning. Is it clear? Such kind of questions, you have 7 questions in your grammar book, page number 34, D Roman. Go through those questions. Now next Roman. The last Roman in our grammar section B, grammar, is tick the sentences that use all the articles correctly. That means, what did you understand? The given sentence, we have to tick the given sentence if articles are used correctly. Then what happened again? Some sentences might have more than one article. In that Roman, remaining sentences will be there, no? Whether more than one article is given in that sentences. In that sentences, you have to observe each and every article is arranged in the correct order, correct place or not. Okay, let's see the example. A girl is knocking on the door. First of all, identify what is the article. The is article. On the door, particular door. For particular things we use article the. So, article is used in the correct way. What they asked us to do? Tick the sentence if the article is correct. Okay? I mean, if the article is used correctly. If the article is not used correctly, what you have to do? You need not do anything. But in the exam, you just put cross mark. If article is not used in the correct place, put the cross mark. Okay? That is E Roman. Still there are 5 more questions in that Roman, page number 34, E Roman. Go through those. Next section. Coming to section C, literature. In that Roman, you have meanings, question answer. Here, small questions, 2 into 2, 4 marks, and here one question will be there, 3 marks. 1 into 3, 3 marks. Meanings for 5 marks. Now, I'll ask you some meanings. Tell me the answers. Paid no heed means what? Paid no attention. What is the meaning of rights? Freedom. What is the meaning of persimmon? A sweet dried orange colored fruit. Like that. You have 3 lessons, right? I mean 2 lessons. Lesson 4, lesson 6 and poem. Freedom of a bird poem. Lesson 4, the tiger gets a fright. And lesson 6, the happy prince. So lesson 4, lesson 6 and poem, freedom of a bird. So from that 3 topics you have meanings. Read all those meanings. And question and answer. 3 lessons you have question and answers. Read all the questions. They are very small in size. If the question is very big and if you are unable to read that you can write in a short way, which gives the full meaning. If not, leave that question. Okay. Now, next Roman. Next Roman in our literature. Choose the correct options to complete these proverbs. Better blank than never. Late, early, often. Choose the correct option to complete the proverb. Better late, better early than never, better often than never. Better late than never. So, tick the option. Choose the correct option. That's it. Students, don't leave these kind of questions because you have the options here. If you do not know the answer, just think for a while. Even though if you do not get the answer, tick something. Don't leave the option like that. Okay? Tick something, attempt something. Now, such kind of questions you have in your textbook page number 70. Textbook page number 70, I Roman. Okay? Now, next Roman. Next Roman in our literature, activity. What is your activity? Circle the silent letters. What you have to do? Read the words aloud. Knife. What is this? Knife. Am I pronouncing it as knife? No. I absolutely did not pronounce the word K. Then circle it. That's it. Now, what is the word? C-A-L-M. Calm. Very good. Which letter we did not pronounce? C-A. Ka we pronounced. Calm. M we pronounced. What we missed? Yes. So, L is silent there. Like that, you have some questions, 10 questions in page number 46 of your textbook. Read all those and do this exercise. Last Roman in our question paper, but not the least Roman, you can gain marks here. Word search. Box will be given and some hints will be given. Down, across. Down means in this way. Across means in this way. Okay? In maths you learn vertical, horizontal. Down means down you will write. Across means side. Okay, now what is the hint given here? Not near. Suppose one letter they will give, no? So far. Animal that gives milk. Suppose they gave across. Suppose they gave C here. Then what is that? Animal gives milk. Starts with C. Cow. Like that some questions will be given. You can gain marks very easily if you read the hints very clearly. Okay? I hope you understood the blueprint very clearly. Read each and every Roman which is given in the blueprint. Okay? I hope you will rock the exam. All the very best for your exam. Don't waste your time. Rock the exam. Bye-bye.